Hi everyone, this session is about finite automata with output. In that we are discussing about Mealy machine, an automaton in which the output depends on state and input symbol at any instant time is called as Mealy machine. That means Mealy machine depends on state and as well as input symbol at any instant of time. Mealy machine can be represented with six-tuple notation. Q set of states in the finite automata. Sigma is the input alphabet. Delta is a mapping function that is mapping from Q cross sigma to Q. Capital delta is set of finite output symbols. And fifth tuple is Q naught and sixth tuple is lambda. Lambda is a mapping function. Q cross sigma maps to capital delta. That means the Mealy machine depends on state as well as input symbol. That means the output depends on both state as well as input. We will design the Mealy machine with an example. Design a Mealy machine to generate the output Y if the current input matches with the previous input. If not, output is N. Here we will take the input alphabet as A, B. So according to the question, the output is Y when the current input matches with the previous one. And that means if the current input is A and previous input must be A, then only output is Y. And suppose the current input is A and previous input is B, it is not matched with the previous input, so output should be N. If the input is only A, so there is no previous element, so that definitely the output is N. If the input is only B and there is no previous element for it, so output should be N. If the current input is B and previous input is B, so the output is Y because it matches with the previous input. If the current input is B and previous input is A, it is not matched, so that output is N. First we will start designing with the minimum string, that is if the input is A, output should be N. If the input is B, output should be N. So Q naught on A, it is moving to the state Q1 since it don't have previous element to compare, so that output is N. And Q naught on B, it is moving to the state Q2 and there is no previous element to compare, so that output is N. And Q naught is the starting state. If we are standing in Q1 means A is seen. After Q1, if one more A is seen, previous element is also A, so that it is matched, so that output is Y. So we can represent it as if A is seen, it is in the state Q1. If one more A is seen, output is Y, and if one more A is seen, output is Y, so that on Q1, if we read any number of A's, the output is Y. So that we can write it as Q1 on A, the output is Y and it will be in the same state. Similarly, if B is seen, it is in the state Q2. If one more B is seen, output is Y because it is matched with the previous element. If one more B is seen, it is matched with the previous element, output is Y. So Q2 on B, output is Y and it will be in the same state. Now we will design one more case. If A is seen, it will be in the state Q1. After that B is seen, that means output is N. So that to design this one, Q1 on B, it is moving to the state Q2 and output is N because it doesn't match with the previous element. Why we are connecting to Q2 is after B, if one more B is seen here, it will become Y. So that we are connecting to Q2. Now we will see one more case. If B is seen, it is in the state Q2 and on Q2 if A is seen, it is not matched with the previous input symbol, so that output is N. So that we need to connect to Q1. So Q2 on A, it has to connect to Q1. Why we are connecting to Q1 is after this A, if one more A is seen, the output is Y. So the state is Q1. The same information can be represented in a tabular format. The current state is, that is Q0 is the starting state, and on reading the input A, Q0 on A, it is moving to the state Q1, so next state is Q1 and output is N. Q0 on input B, it is moving to the state Q2 and output is N. So similarly we need to write Q1 on A, it is moved to the state self state, that is Q1 and output is Y, and Q1 on B, it is moved to the state Q2 and output is N, and Q2 on A, it is moved to the state Q1 and output is N. Q2 on B, it is moved to the state self state, that is Q2 and output is Y. Here I forgot to write the output, that is Q0 on B, it is moved to the state Q2, Q2 on A, that means input is BA. So here it is not matched with the previous input symbol, so output is N, so that here we need to write N. We will trace with an example by taking an input string AA, BA, starting with the Q0, Q0 on A, it is moved to the state Q1 and output is N. And Q1 on A, it is moved to the state self state, that is Q1 and output is Y. The third symbol is B, so Q1 on B, it is moved to the state Q2 and output is N. And the last symbol is A, Q2 on A, it is moved to the state Q1 and output is N. If you observe here, input string length is 4 and the output string length is also 4, that is N, Y, N, N. That means if the Mealy machine has taken the input string length N, it produces an output string whose length is N only. Please do subscribe and thanks for watching.